Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to I don't even know what to call my channel anymore. We're not even gonna say a name for now. Um I was meant to film a video today. I was really lazy this morning, but my YouTube friend Pharrell motivated me and I was like, okay, I'm gonna film. So I got all dressed up and everything, and then my camera stops working. Like it's frozen, the lens has just frozen. So it's not even going in, it's not going out. I've taken it out and I've tried to fix it. It's not happening today. So I just thought, you know what? I'm just going to use my phone. But anyway, this initial video was just meant to be this initial video was just meant to be like a hi, how you guys doing type of video, and just checking with you guys and let you know what to expect from my channel. So I'm just going to do that anyway. Hopefully tomorrow this camera works. I can't even take it back to the shop where I got it from to get it fixed, because with all that's happening, that shop is probably not even open right now. So yeah, 2019 was a fairly hectic year for me, and I had a lot of sort of personal and sort of career goals that I really wanted to achieve. So YouTube being my hobby, it just was natural that it sort of fell by the wayside. And obviously YouTube isn't giving me any coins. I know some people think I'm making money on YouTube, like as in decent money, even like gas money. I'm not making gas money on YouTube, but anyway, that's fine. So also in that regard, having to pay rent and other bills and responsibilities and all the rest of it, it was natural that YouTube fell by the wayside, and I guess I'm back because I ain't got nothing else to do right now. So my schedule is a bit less busy. So I'm here to check in with you guys and make more tree lesson videos. As I was gonna say that I'm actually gonna make shorter videos now. I've been saving up to buy a new laptop. However, clearly this is not the time to be throwing out £1,000 for a new laptop and all that. So in order to make my editing and uploading fairly smooth and not stressful where I give up, I've decided to make my videos much shorter. So for my tree lessons, I'm going to be doing sort of shorter videos, maybe like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I had this idea of, you know how you have like the little pocket-sized books when you go into like France or Germany or whatever, and it just gives you like common phrases or sentences that you may need as a tourist in that country. These are sort of the words and phrases I'm using for these videos. So the videos won't be long. I'm trying to think if it's going to be tree in 2 minutes, tree in 3, tree in 1. I'll figure it out, but that's what I'm planning to do. What else was I gonna say? Also, oh yes, I was gonna say I would love for you guys to be able to hear other people speaking Tree and not just me. So I was hoping to get like little clips of interviews or clips from movies or shows that people are speaking Tree in, so you guys can actually just hear it authentically. Not that I'm not authentic, but you know what I mean. Just to hear someone else speak the language and do translations from that as well. Another thing I'd love to do is some natural hair videos. If you know, you know. Some natural hair videos. But the thing is, unless, okay, I can do a lot of maybe like taking care of your natural hair sort of thing rather than styles, because the people that I used to watch for the longest time that always did styles constantly on YouTube, you'd realize that after a few months, they'd be like, oh, my hair is falling out because they're manipulating the hair that often. So I don't know if I want to do styles per se, but we can talk about like hair care. Also want to do like a little segment. I actually only thought about this like a few days ago, like African cuisines. You guys know about, like, I know I go hard for Ghana, but like in general, I'm a Pan-Africanist deep down within. So I'd love to bring like my friends from different African countries to cook one of their cuisines. I don't know how that will work right now since we're on lockdown. However, maybe down the line I can do that. And before this koro happened, I actually wanted to make like finance videos. I love to budget. I'm so frugal. Like, I'm the frugalest person you've ever met in your life. If I don't have to spend the money, I will not spend the money. Like, trust me. People who know me, It's hard for me to spend money, but then I'm so excited to save money. When I know my pay is gonna be dropped into my account, I literally wait till midnight for that time to happen, and then when it into my account, I take it out and put it into my savings, and like that gives me so much joy. It's so sad. Like it gives me so much joy to take that money and put it into my savings. Hey, what a lovely day. So that as well. And maybe like some workout videos since we're all at home just now. Maybe I can do some Afro beats. You guys know I love to dance. Afro beats workouts and things like that. So that's what I have for you. I've got beef with every one of you guys that watch me right now. I've got beef. We got a problem. We got a situation. Because YouTube analytics tells me that 84.2%. That's crazy. 84.2% of people that watch me are actually not subscribed to me. Hello. What are we doing? What do you think you're doing? You think this is you think this is a game? You think this is my life? This is my life. I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe. I know I haven't been consistent, and you might say that's the reason why, but come on, you have to subscribe. Especially for my people that benefit from my tree lessons. Not a day goes past where I don't get a comment, a message, an email about my tree lessons, and I realize it is helping you guys. So I do feel this like sense of responsibility to making these tree lessons for you guys. But I need you guys to support. I need you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to like my videos. And I need you guys comment. Even if you can't think of a comment, as I always say, just leave an emoji because this brings me up on the YouTube spiritual realm. So I'm going to need you guys to support my channel like more. Okay? So that's the highlight I have for you guys. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I've literally hyped myself up to film this video. My homegirl literally gave me the motivation, and look, camera's not working. Like it's blacked out. I have no idea. I promise you, once I like take my makeup off and like I'm in bed and I'm looking like a house girl, that's when this thing will start working. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and hopefully see you guys soon. Pray that my camera works, or else I'm gonna have to use my phone. My phone is in bad quality, but trying to actually set it somewhere is where the issue is. So maybe I can sort that out as well. So yeah. Ho, 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 ho.